In Creo Parametric 10, you can pattern your freestyle shapes to create a rotationally symmetric part. You can access the Rotational Pattern tool through the Freestyle ribbon alongside other symmetry functions. Selecting it, you will need to determine the axes about which you would like the body to rotate. I have that here in the center of the wheel. There are a few ways to determine the angles between the pattern members. The first I want to show you is by dragging the angle directly on the model. You can also set this angle in the Angle Between Members box. You can type in your desired angle or use the arrows for smaller changes. The number of members modifies how many times the body is patterned. We can modify this by typing it in or using the arrows. You can also use the Angular Extent tool. This automatically determines the angle of the bodies based on how many we would like to fit in our desired extent of rotation. Now, if I change the number of members, the angle between members dynamically updates so that the pattern remains inside the desired extent of rotation. Here, I'm going to keep that 360 degrees. Each shape patterned will create a new pattern group in the Freestyle tree. These contain the pattern leader and its members. Through the tree, you can also duplicate a pattern group, rename it, or delete the pattern. Similar to the mirror tool, the pattern shape will be dependent on the original shape. As you make a change to the original shape, the pattern shape will automatically update. As with the mirror tool, you can enable or disable the patterning dependency. Selecting the dependent icon, you will be able to make changes to any shape without it being reflected on the pattern objects. Resuming dependency, changes will once again be patterned throughout, but you will not be able to modify that which was changed when dependency was broken. This enhancement expands Freestyle functionality and allows you to pattern one or more complex shapes around an axis to achieve rotational symmetry.